Hello everyone, my name is Chris Ivan, but everybody call me Chris Code. And today I'm going to show you a little animation that I've made just with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to check my GitHub account, my LinkedIn account, and my YouTube account. So thank you so much to everybody.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day.